Welcome to A2Z Learns. Let us learn binary tree traversal step by step. Pre-order, root, left, right. Step 1, minute 40. Step 2, minute 30. Step 3, minute 20. Step 4, minute 10. Step 5, minute 15. Step 6, minute 25. Step 7, minute 35. Step 8, minute 32. Step 9, minute 26. Step 10, minute 28. Step 11, minute 34. In order, minute 10. Step 2, minute 20. Step 3, minute 15. Step 4, minute 30. Step 5, minute 25. Step 6, minute 40. Step 7, minute 26. Step 8, minute 32. Step 9, minute 28. Step 10, minute 35. Step 11, minute 34. Post order, minute 10. Step 2, minute 15. Step 3, minute 20. Step 4, minute 25. Step 5, minute 30. Step 6, minute 26. Step 7, minute 28. Step 8, minute 32. Step 9, minute 34. Step 10, minute 35. Step 11, minute 40. Quick revision. Pre-order, root, left, right. In order, left, root, right. Post order, left, right, root.